What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about the 2021 iMac refresh. Now these iMacs, like the one behind me, has looked the exact same since 2009. It's been a long time since we've seen anything different, and it looks like 2021 is the year for this to finally change. Now these rumors slash reports come from Mark Gurman, who is 89% accurate with his Apple rumors. So he's a pretty reliable guy, and everything that he says normally comes true, but essentially this is going to be the biggest refresh in the last 10 years, and Mark Gurman is saying that it's going to look similar to the Pro Display XDR, which is awesome because the Pro Display looks really good, and if you bring that design over to an iMac, I think it's, going to carry over the cool factor that's with the XDR display, so I'm really excited to see that. It looks like there's going to be slimmer bezels all around the entire display, and they are finally removing the chin, which is this guy right here with the Apple logo, and instead basically taking that away so it's like a full screen, which I am a big fan of. I don't really know why they kept this thing around for so long. It's a pretty iconic look, so I'm guessing that's probably why, but I think it's time for just a solid refresh, full display. I think it's time for that, and we can finally ditch the Apple logo chin. Gurman goes on to say that Apple Silicon chips are going to be inside, of course, and it's going to have more processing cores and also better graphics, which is kind of expected. This is going to be the new iMac with Apple Silicon, the first one ever. I'm expecting it to be the M1X chip or the M2, but it will definitely be more powerful than the current MacBook Pro and MacBook Air with the M1 chip inside, so I'm super pumped because I like to use Final Cut on the iMac, and with a chip like that, it's going to handle everything I personally need it to do. So there's definitely going to be a new iMac for the two different sizes. Right now, we currently have 21.5 and 27-inch iMac models. It looks like by taking out the chin, we are going to be getting a 24-inch model, replacing the 21.5. It's going to be essentially the same size as this screen, just eliminating the chin here and just making the screen a little bit bigger. Now, Ming-Chi Kuo, another reporter that talks about Apple rumors, is saying that the 24-inch is probably going to come out first, and then down the line, a new 27-inch iMac would be coming out with a chip that's even more powerful than the chip that's in the 24-inch. Now, that's pretty exciting. Personally, I would want to buy the 27-inch, so if that's the case, I'm probably going to have to wait a little bit longer. But for people that are wanting that 21.5-inch refresh, which would be the 24-inch, it looks like that one will be coming a little bit sooner. And then I don't think we're really close to a brand new iMac Pro. I think what's probably going to happen is we'll see a 24-inch iMac with an M1X or M2 chip, then a 27-inch iMac with an M2X or M3 chip, and then down the line we'll see an iMac Pro with an even more powerful chip than that. So it's a bit of a waiting game right now. It looks like the back of the iMac is going to be flat, unlike these guys. These ones have a curve on the back. It's basically going to make the computer slimmer and look a little bit nicer, but this is super exciting news. I've always wanted a full display iMac, and it was rumored for a couple of years now, and I had a feeling that they were going to wait until they made an Apple Silicon iMac to do that, because then it just becomes something even bigger. You have your first Apple Silicon iMac with a brand new design and everything. I think it's just perfect, really. I will definitely be picking one of those bad boys up. Like this one, it's totally fine and everything, but just that full display looks so good with the upgraded chip and everything too, so it's going to be a beast of a computer. Now that's all of the current news that we have right now regarding the new iMacs. Basically a big redesign, and I'm super excited for that. I'm sure there's going to be a couple other things, like maybe they will add Face ID, an upgraded camera that finally does 1080p, and possibly a better quality display as well, so I am super excited to hear more about this iMac. As more news comes out, more videos will be made as well on the channel, so if you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to keep up to date. Other than that, thanks for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.